remember that there was a real nasty fraction one, and I forget which one that is. 30?
30, yeah.
Yeah. Remember, don't worry about 30 because the A value that I'll give you guys will always be regular integer stuff. Yeah, I forgot to tell you about that one, so that's my bad. And then the other one that had the fraction one, 34, you should be okay on 34 because all you had to do is just plot the regular because the A value was 1 and just shift all those points up a smidge.
32.
Yeah, it's vertical because it's the K, plus K value. So you just had to go up 3/4 of the line.
32.
All right. Which one? No, H is underneath the radical. That's outside. 32. Now, one of the things that this will probably mess up on this one, what's being raised to the 1/3 power? The -2 or just the x? Just the x. So this is the exact same thing as y equals -2 cube root x. Means the same thing. So now since there's zero shift to this whatsoever, you could have gone right to your calculator and gotten your points right away. Let's move this off and over. You could go right to your calculator and get your points. 0, 0. If x is 1, cube root of 1 is 1 times -2 is -2. And then it mirrors it for the negative, and then it comes out to -8 and, what was that, -4? Or +4, and then it'd be 8 and -4. And then, since there's no shift, you didn't have to do anything from that. Okay? Does that make sense? What do you got, Nick? 36? Yeah, this is another one of those, you just have to move it over a smidge. Yeah. Yeah. You just have to move it over just a little bit. So here you've got, this is the same thing as saying y equals the cube root of x plus 2/3. So you're going to plot the regular cube root function, because the a value is 1. So if your a value is 1, your cube root function started at, was it 0, 0, 1, 1, 8, 2, -1, -8, -2. It was like this. And then from there, you just have to, your horizontal shift is 2/3. Is that left 2/3 or right 2/3? Left, because it's positive. So you move everything over just a little bit. So this one's kind of weird because you're on the same value. It's just been moved over just a little. Nope, remember, H values are the opposite. K values stay the same. All right. Once again, on any test or quiz on this stuff, your H and your K values, I'm going to keep them integers so it'll be a little bit easier to move around. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So this starts out with the square root function. It is y equals the square root of x minus 1 plus 7. So a is 1, h is 1, and k is 7. So all I have to do is start by the generic square root function with a value of a being 1. So we're at 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, 9, 3. And within each of those points, I move to the right 1 and up 7. Oh, I didn't move them all over. It should look like that. Does that make sense? And the others. Make sure your name's on them, please. Like I said, it seemed like you guys did rather well on it yesterday when we were doing this stuff, so I wasn't